Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to publish your landing page on Systeme.io? Here's how to do it in just a few easy steps. First of all, log into your Systeme.io account and go to the funnels section. Choose an existing funnel or click Create a Funnel to set up a new landing page. Select the landing page step. Then use the drag and drop editor to customize it with your text, images, and buttons. Now, go to Settings, set your custom URL, or use the default Systeme.io domain, then click Save. Finally, click Publish, and your landing page is live and ready for visitors. And that's it. You have successfully published your landing page with Systeme.io. Now start collecting leads, and growing your business. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.